Mr. President, it is my distinct honor and privilege to present to you the candidates for graduation and completion of the Central Mindanao University Laboratory High School for school year 2025-2026 for confirmation of their graduation and completion respectively. For the senior high school level, under the academic track Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand, this graduating class is composed of 79 male and 104 female students for a total of 183 graduates. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements prescribed under the senior high school program of the basic education K-12. May I respectfully request you to confirm their graduation. For the junior high school level, under the science curriculum, this batch is composed of 38 male and 74 female students for a total of 112 grade 10 completers. I likewise certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements of junior high school mandated by the K-12 curriculum. May I respectfully request you to confirm their completion. Thank you.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as officer in charge of the office of the University President of Central Mindanao University, acting on behalf of the University President and the Board of Regents, I hereby confer upon you your senior high school academic track, STEM strand, diplomas, and junior high school science curriculum certificates respectively. Congratulations.